Visible operates as an MVNO on Verizon's network, facing data connectivity issues from APN misconfigurations and network congestion. Here are three immediate fixes. First, check your access point name settings. Ensure it's set to VZ Winternet or Visible. This setting acts as the gateway for your internet access and must match Verizon's protocols. Second, toggle between 5G and LTE in your device settings. This forces your device to renegotiate with the nearest cell tower, often resolving temporary signal drops. Finally, if problems persist, perform a network reset. This erases all saved network configurations, reverting to defaults, and can resolve corrupted data or app-induced errors. When basic fixes like APN settings and network toggles don't resolve visible data issues, deeper problems may be at play. This section covers advanced troubleshooting and long-term solutions. Data issues may stem from peak time congestion, where network demand exceeds capacity, leading to slower speeds during evenings or high-traffic periods. Another cause is Visible's deprioritization policies, where Verizon prioritizes their postpaid customers over prepaid users like Visible during network congestion. For these issues, try the Visible app's AI-assisted troubleshooting feature, which provides personalized fixes based on your account and location specifics. For long-term solutions, consider hybrid network options that combine cellular with other technologies for more reliable coverage. These fixes are temporary. As Visible evolves, expect more automated troubleshooting tools in the app and improved reliability with future technologies like 6G. In the meantime, these steps serve as a first line of defense. Remember, systemic network issues may require contacting Visible support directly.